Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to the beach. We've got plenty of bait. We're gonna try and catch a fish today. Like honestly, I don't think I've ever caught a fish off the beach. And I've been trying for years. But today's the day. I'm changing my ways. I have got brand new fresh rigs on my rod. Me and Michelle have got heaps of food. Like we're just gonna spend pretty much the whole day at the beach, just living it up. Hopefully the tide doesn't get too high. But yeah, here's Michelle. It's gonna be a good day, so like get yourselves a snack, get a cold drink, and enjoy the video. And if you want to see more good shit, subscribe.
Beach days.
Yeah. I'm just gonna check it out because the tide's coming in, so we've got to make sure we can drive on there. It's not gonna be too soft because it's pretty easy to lose your car. So let's have a look. You know, it's not too rough. The waves are looking pretty good. It's not too rough. And I feel like we'll find a nice gutter somewhere along here, so we're gonna go for it. I mean, it's not the best. Yeah, we'll go for it. Well guys, we just got off the beach because the tide's coming in and it's a bit sketchy. We're just driving on a beach road here and we've pulled up to a little pond, which looks so cool. I wonder what you'd catch in here. Better fill it up, it's looking a bit dry. Anyways, we'll keep moving. Let's go and have a look. This looks alright. God, what a day. Feeling pretty confident that I could come down here and park here somewhere and hook it right. Right on the corner. Just show you my rig that I've got set up. So basically, I seen this off another YouTuber, Roger Osborne, and what he does is he calls it the deadliest beach fishing rig. And basically it's a piece of wire wrapped in a nylon case. He's got two hooks. He rigs up two hooks, one big large one at the bottom and one smaller one at the top. I'm looking forward to seeing how it goes. You know, we're looking like a pretty good day. It's a little bit rough. Shout out to Roger Osborne. Cheers, Uncle Rog. You're the king of the beach. Cheers for all the tips. Look at the gutter out here behind me. Looks insane. Let's do it. Definitely a bit rough here today. I might move up a little bit more up this beach because it looks a bit calmer up there. It's a nice spot, perfect spot for fishing. it just keeps pushing back in. It's so annoying. It's too rough, I think. I don't know. Maybe I need more weight. But every time I cast it, it just comes straight up the bank. It's sort of frustrating. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but like, I just can't keep my bait out there. It's already on the bank. Maybe it's just too rough. It's heartbreaking. You know, you cast it out and it's straight back up on the bank. I might have to, I mean, I don't really have many other sinkers. Like, honestly, I think my bait's probably just there somewhere. So yeah, there's the hooks protruding out. And then Roger, he'd do a loop on that, but I don't know if he does it with the wire. Anyways, it's a nice looking bit of bait. It's got no head, so it can't, I can't even tie it on, so that's useless. Right, I don't know how that's gonna go, but it's just a bit extra weight. I mean, it looks dodgy as, but it's more weight. What are you watching? It'll just push this way. Gotta love that. Fresh prawns on the beach. The shells are just coming off easy. Well guys, we just come off the beach and it was a bit sketchy because there wasn't much beach to even drive on. We got off, we've pulled up, the car was running a bit hot because I was having to gun it, and I just stopped for a sec letting it cool down. But yeah, gonna end this episode now, and yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and like if you have, make sure you leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Catch you later.